Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin in Vietnam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase. Coinbase is an amazing company and they offer the way how you can buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And when you're going to register through the link in the description, you will get $10 completely for free if you buy the Bitcoin, of course. Now, then gonna be here in Coinbase, and what you can do, I'm going to show you the way how you can buy it. View asset, and on the right side, I'm going to add 100 euro, and I can pay with the bank or my euro wallet. Preview buy, and now I get to see that purchase Coinbase fee 3 euro, and I'm got to go, right? What you can do then is to sell it, but then how you can withdraw it to your bank account. So what you need to do is to click on the asset euro, and then you can simply withdraw 100 euro, continue, and I can withdraw it to my debit card or bank account. So these are the two ways how we can withdraw it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments, and this is how you can buy cryptocurrencies in Vietnam. Goodbye.